Hello friends, in today's tutorial I will show you how to crochet a hedge stitch pattern. For this purpose I am using this yarn ball and a 4mm crochet hook. So let's get started. First of all, make a slip knot and then we would make chains with the help of crochet hook. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, chain 8, chain 9 and then chain 10. So I have made total of 22 chains. You have to make chains multiples of 4 plus 2. This loop will not be counted as anything. So make a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. After that wrap the yarn around the crochet hook and into the same chain make a double crochet. Make double crochet 2 into the same chain and then make double crochet 3 into the same chain. So now we have 3 chains and 3 double crochet stitches into the same chain. Now skip 1, 2 and 3 and into the fourth one make a single crochet and after that make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. After that again make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3 into the same chain where we have made a single crochet. Now again skip 3 chains 1, 2, 3 and into the fourth one again make a single crochet. Make 3 chains and make 3 double crochets into the same chain where we have made a single crochet stitch. Again skip 3 chains and into the fourth one make a single crochet stitch. Make 3 chains and again make 3 double crochet stitches into the same single crochet stitch into the chain where we have made a single crochet stitch. Now again skip 3 and make a single crochet into the fourth chain and into the same chain make 3 double crochet stitches. Now in the last we would have total of 4 chains and again we would skip 3 and into the fourth one, which is the last chain, make a single crochet stitch. Now our first row is completed and now we would make our second row. For the second row make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 and turn your work, and into this very first single crochet stitch we would make 3 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3, and after that we would make a single crochet stitch into the chain 3 space at the top of 3 double crochets. Again make 3 chains and into this chain 3 space make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3, and again into the next chain 3 at the top of 3 double crochet stitches make a single crochet stitch and again make 3 chains, and after that into the same space we would make 3 double crochet stitches, again double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3 and again make a single crochet stitch into the chain 3 space. So make 3 double crochets in every chain 3 space till the end, and now at the end this is the last chain 3 space, make a single crochet into this space, and now we would not make 3 double crochets here our second row is completed. For the third one, we would again make 3 chains, and into the very first single crochet stitch we would make 3 double crochet stitches into this single crochet stitch, and after these 3 double crochet stitches again we would make a single crochet into the chain 3 space, again make 3 chains and make 3 double crochet stitches into this chain 3 space, and we would again repeat the process of row 2, and we would make a single crochet into the chain 3 space, 3 chains, and then 3 double crochet stitches into the same chain 3 space. So complete the round, complete the row. So I have made 3 double crochets in every chain 3 space. Now in the last we would again make a single crochet in the last chain 3 space. So in this way we would make our pattern. So you can make few rows. I have made a few rows like this. So in this way you can use this pattern in any project. So if you like this pattern, please give our video a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye.